Okay, hello. Recording start again. Okay. So the name of my project is Defect Reduction and Operational Efficiency for a Sustainable Performance. And sorry to say, sorry to forget this. First of all, my name is Yash Modi in PGDDS Data Science. Okay. My project guide was Virat sir, and I am from Department of Statistics, Sardar Patel University, Vidyanagar, Anand. Okay. So our project objective is to reduce defect rate and improve operational efficiency in the production process by minimizing process variation, eliminating non-value added activities and enhancing quality performance, thereby achieving a sustainable progress improvement. Okay. Okay. Then our problem statement is in the production process, a high defect rate of 8% caused by process variability, lack of standardization, and non-added activities resulted in increased rework, higher COPQ, and reduced efficiency, and using 70% gap closure approach. The product target reducing defects to 2% to improve process stability and sustainable performance. Target reduce defect rate from 8% to 2%. Okay. Now, what about company? So our project company is Atlanta Electrical Private Limited, manufacturing electrical components and transformers accessories. The company executes transformer manufacturing, assembly, testing, and process improvement projects. This project focus on the defect reduction and improving operational efficiencies. So here in this project we use a DMAC methodology. Here DMAC methodology for D is defined, M for measure, A for analyze, I for improve, and C for control. Okay. So in define phase, main project problem, high defect rate and low process efficiency. Our main objective is reduce defect rate and improve uh, operational efficiency. Scope of defined phase, production proper sequence. Identify production process and problem area. Understand the customer requirements. Voice of customer and voice of board. Uh, Define critical to quality CTQ parameters. Analyze current defect trends. Pareto analysis. Identify key stakeholders and process owners. Develop project charter and define scope boundaries. Set smart objectives and improvement targets. Okay. Then CTQ, critical to quality. Defect rate, our critical to quality characteristics are defect rate, rework percentage, first pass yield, FPY, process cycle efficiency, PCE, product quality standards, specification and adherence. Okay. Now for measure phase, uh, process mapping production flow. So first of all, we get a raw material inspection, then component preparation, then we assemble the process. We conduct the assembly process in the process inspection, final testing, and after it rework if defects are occur. At the final, we got a dispatch. Final work of the measure phase is collect the production performance data, map the complete process flow, identify variance analysis and NVA activities, establish a baseline performance matrix. And here we can see a defect selection chart. Main four defects are selected in a winding process, in process, tanking, and final test. So mostly defects are occur in a winding process. Okay. And in above defined phase, we can see the Pareto chart, workmanship and design not followed are the most occurred defects in our project. Okay. Now for analyze phase, root cause analysis, we conduct a root cause analysis. Process variability, lack of standardized procedures and operator skills. Variation contributed to the high defect rate of 8%, leading to increased rework and consistent process performance. We can see in the fishbone diagram, 6M methods are used in man, machine, method, material, measurement, and environment. High defect rate can occur using from these 6M or we can say 5M1E method model. So, in a major cause identified by it, high rework 5%, high rework around 5%, inconsistent inspection methods, material handling delays, and 20 to 25% non-value added activities significantly impacted productivity and overall operational efficiency. Process bottleneck. Inspection and rework stages acted as a bottlenecks, increasing overall cycle time by 15 to 20%, causing delays in a production flow and affecting on-time delivery performance. Okay. Now we go for a improvement phase. In improvement phase, VSM. Here we can see the VSL value stream map. So from the image we can see it. The improvement phase results are the reduction in defect rate, decrease in rework and rejection, improve process efficiency and flow, reduction of in COPQ, better workplace management and operator performance. Now, the control phase. We finally get into a final phase which is named control. The control phase is successfully done by our control plan chart. So as you can see in control plan chart, process step है raw material check, production step up, processing stage, quality inspection, rework handling, final output check, process monitoring. Okay, so if we want to sustain the process, so we can do below improvements in our projects. Sustain the improvements achieved in the previous phase, maintain reduced defect and rework levels, ensure the product process stability and standardization, establish the system for continuous monitoring and improving. Now we got the final result of our project. The Lean Six Sigma DMAC project on Atlanta Electrical's medium casing line reduced the defect from 8 to 2%. Means 75% improvement in defect rates. Rework from 12 to 4%, means 66% reduction. And the cycle time to 10 to 6 minutes goes, means the 40% reduction in cycle time. So, COPQ dropped from 76,000 to 22,000 monthly. So annually we can save 6,48,000 with a perfect 5S implementation, sustainable gains via SOPs, POKA, SPC, and visual management. Here SPC means statistical process control. So in the beside matrix, we can see the monthly cost before implementation. This DMAC project is 76,000. Now, after implementation, it is got 22,000 only. So our monthly saving is 54,000 and annual saving will goes to the 6,48,000. Then before versus after, the key metrics we can see in this chart. And after this, defect cost before the implementation DMAC is 40,000 and defect cost after the implementation is 10,000. Rework cost is 36,000 and rework cost after the implementation is 12,000 only. So net monthly savings is our net monthly saving is 54,000 only. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Stop here. स्टॉप ईयर किया है, अभी क्या करें? अभी कर दे। बहन चुप। माँ का NS से